Guys, you know what? Okay. Hi, and welcome to Auntie Nell's Kitchen. Today, it is a very quick video. I'm going to show you an easy way to cook oxtails. Oxtails are not difficult. A lot of people stay away from them because they think, oh, they're so hard to cook. No, they're not. They're very simple. And I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way that, you season. Throw them in the pan in the oven. Put them in the oven for 3 to 3.5 hours, and you're good to go. And they'll be so tender. You all see my oxtails. You know they're tender. But the reason why I'm doing this today, because today is Caitlin's birthday, but tomorrow is her grandmother, and she loves oxtails. But she don't know how to cook them. Yes, and this is what she gets every year for her birthday. She gets a pan of oxtails with potatoes and carrots. There's nothing to go buy, no presents and nothing like that. This is what she wants. So what I've done, this is a Ziploc bag, 1 gallon Ziploc bag. And in this bag, I have Worcestershire sauce. I have a little steaky sauce. A little bit of green sauce. This is a pound of oxtails. Yeah, that's about a pound and a half probably. Green seasoning, and all of this is no measurement, honey. You do it to your taste. I have a little jerk seasoning. Trying not to put anything where I can knock it down and break it, because Auntie got to get out of here, because I got to go. Oh God, I got to drive up to Cheesecake Factory and get this girl a slice of cheesecake. Little brownie. Now we're dealing with this. You just need a little bit. Just need a little bit. No more than a teaspoon in this, because you just wanted to get that dark color. You're not painting, okay? Let's get that straight. A little allspice and what Jamaicans call Jamaican pimento. I have a little thyme. I used to say thyme, but people were getting offended because I was saying thyme. Garlic powder. Okay, and I have some carrots and some potatoes over here, and I just have a little bit of sliced onion in here because I had put some of these. Did I say garlic powder? And I had used a little of these minced onion because I didn't know I had a little sliced onion left over from cooking that split pea soup, which is currently up. Now guys, I don't touch meat. Okay, I didn't know. This has only been marinating for about 40 minutes. I did not have to add water. A little housekeeping over there. And I will take this and just spread it around in my pan. I lay them flat. And the reason why, now in the grocery store, these things they range between $13 to $16 a pound. At the farmer's market where I go, they're $9.99 a pound. Okay, $10. And I get to pick the bones I like. Because I always tell them, when I buy them, depends on what I'm getting them for. Like, she like knuckle bones. I always tell, usually I tell them, no knuckle bones. I don't want any knuckle bones. I only want these. They call them big bones. And they say, no, only big bones? I say, yeah, it's only big bones. Okay? So I got a little space in here I'm making for my water. Okay? And what I'm going to do is take this handy dandy glove off. Throw it over there for a little housekeeping. And this is sorry guys, this is not a good time of the year for me outside, but I gotta go out. Okay, I'm going to throw in this. I can't eat. This is like a little teeny weeny onion, half of a teeny weeny onion. Yes, it is. Most definitely. Just a little bit of onion. And I'm going to take now I'm telling you something. This is Gold Yukon. Y'all know I love Yukon. I use, now if I'm baking like a hearty soup, which I'm going to make me some potato soup, because this is the time of year I really dive into my soups. I eat soups year round because they're easier. And I'm not coming down with anything. Okay. Put some carrots over there. Little tater over here in the corner. Okay, I have all this together. Little housekeeping. Little housekeeping over there. And what I'm going to do, let me get some water to put in this base. Can't see with a flip. Okay, I added my potatoes. I got my water in here. Yes, put a little black pepper on top. Now what I do spray my lid because I don't want my potatoes sticking to my lid. And I'm going to pop this in the oven. And my oven is already heated to 350. And I'm going to put my timer on for 330. And I'm going to pop this in the oven. So it would be 3.5 hours. And when you all see this in the thumbnail, they will be all nice and good. But I'm going to do a little short to show you how tender they are. And this is it. See how quick this was? This only took 7 minutes. You know what? I'm going to tell you. That. Oh, I turned my timer off. You know, when this is done, I told you, oxtails, if you start behind and trying to cook oxtails, fancy schmancy, you just stress yourself out. That's what you're seeing all this stress. Okay? All right, guys. Auntie got to go out here and brace this cold. Auntie wears a mask when she enters the cold air. And I shall see you guys in a little bit. Got to tell you, a mother's work is never done. Like they say, a wife's work is never done. Well, a mother's work is never done either. And my little bud's birthday is on the 22nd. So right now, I got to run around for the Pamper Princess. Okay, so I only got one destination. Okay, and little guy, tell me he wants some chicken. He wants some fried chicken. So, you know, I got to honor little guy's request. This my baby. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. Love you guys. Have a great Tuesday.